Artist events. How to? Why to? Promoting you, the artist, and your artwork can be tough going, especially when you're first starting out. It's a time-consuming process. Finding the right exhibition to showcase your work, the right art competition to enter, the right gallery to represent you. Have you ever thought about organizing your own events? Yes, it's a lot of work, but look at the advantages. By putting yourself out there, you get to meet new contacts that could become your clients, your future gallerists, your future collaborators. Put your name as an artist on the map. In other words, get noticed. You get recognition for your work. People need to see your works to know what you are about. And most important of all, you have total control. You get to decide what it looks like, fulfilling your vision, as opposed to creating art to fit a specific theme of an exhibition, for example. I've been producing events for almost 30 years, and I can tell you that organizing events is no more time-consuming than what you're already doing to promote your art. And besides, there are a number of different types of events that might work for you, and some take very little effort to put together. Sharing your technique. You are an experienced artist. Over time, you have mastered techniques that you can teach others. This could be done in form of a lecture demonstration, where you talk about the technique, introducing the concept to your audience first, then demonstrate it. Or it could be in form of a workshop, where you actually teach others your technique, and they get to try it out themselves. Talking about your art. It's not just about your art or your artistic practice. How did you become an artist? What inspired you? Who inspired you? Everybody has a story to tell. Tell your story by hosting art talks. Sharing your story helps audiences understand you, your practice, and your art. These connections over time help you gain buyers, fans. In other words, they help you develop a following. This is how you build a reputation in the art world. Exhibiting. Organize your own art exhibition. You get to control your theme, what you show, what story you want to tell. Think about unusual locations to exhibit in. Is there a restaurant in your town that could use some jazzing up? Talk to the owner and see whether they would be interested in hanging your art on their walls. Is there a mall with an empty unit? Talk to management and see whether they might be willing to let you rent it out for a pop-up exhibition. Both these examples are in venues that are not traditional art venues. It means exposure of your art to a new audience. These are just a few examples of the types of art events you can organize. The success of every event is also dependent on your marketing and promotion. Bottom line, to succeed as an artist, you must put yourself out there and get noticed. And events are a great way to help you get there. If you're new to organizing events or want to learn more about different types of art events that you can organize, let me know by typing yes in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you.